Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from JEE Main 2025, 4th April shift 2nd. A block of mass m kilogram is connected to two strings as shown. If T1 equal to under root 3 times T2, then choose the correct option. So student, here is two strings having tension T1 and T2. They mix angle theta 1 and theta 2 with this point of hanging. So first we take that mass of weight of this block work in downward direction, and here is a normal point, and this, if this is theta, then this is also theta 2, and this is theta 1, then this is also theta 1. So we resolve this T1 cos theta 1, here T1 sin theta 1, here T2 cos theta 2, and here T2 sin theta 2. Okay, so after dissolving the tensions in the strings, we have sigma fx equal to 0 and sigma fy equal to 0. So here mg equal to t2 sin theta 2 plus t1 sin theta 1. This is our first, and from this t1 cos theta 1 equal to t2 cos theta 2. Now it is given that T1 equal to under root 3 times T2. So putting this here, T1 under root 3 T2 cos theta 1 into T2 cos theta 2. So T2 T2 cancel. We got cos theta 1 upon cos theta 2, that is 1 upon root 3, squaring both side. Cos square theta 1 upon cos square theta 2 equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, now cross multiplying, 3 cos theta 1 square equal to cos square theta 2, and this is 1 minus sin square theta 1 equal to 1 minus sin square theta 2. So 3 minus 3 sin square theta 1 equal to 1 minus sin square theta 2. Taking in one side, that 3 minus 1 equal to 3 sin square theta 1 minus sin square theta 2. This is 2, and we write it as 3 sin theta 1 whole square minus sin theta 2 whole square. Using a plus b, a minus b, under root 3 sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 under root 3 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 2, and 2 can be written as 2 into 1, that is under root 3 sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 into under root 3 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 2. From here we have a greater part is 2 and smaller part is 1. So under root 3 sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2, that is 2. Okay, now using first we have mg equal to t2 sin theta 1 theta 2 plus t1, which is under root 3 t2 sin theta 1. So T2 is common, therefore mg equal to T2 sin theta 2 plus under root 3 sin theta 1. Therefore T2 equal to mg upon sin theta 2 plus under root 3 sin theta 1, which is equal to 2. So this is mg by 2. So T2 is mg by 2. We got T2 equal to mg by 2. Okay. Now if we solve these two, that under root 3 sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 equal to 2, and under root 3 is sin theta 1 minus sin theta equal to 1, and solving these after adding we got this is 2 root 3 sin theta 1 equal to 3. We divide 3 by root 3, 2 sin theta 1 equal to root 3 sin theta 1 equal to root 3 by 2, and this is the value of sin 60. So theta 1 is 60. If we put the value in first, root 3 sin 60 plus sin theta 2, that is 2. So this become root 3 into root 3 by 2 plus sin theta 2 equal to 2. So this is root 3 by 2. Therefore sin theta 2 equal to 2 minus 3 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So sin theta 2 is equal to sin 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of sin 30. Theta 2 is equal to 30. So we can easily get theta by using these two equations. Here root 3 sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 equal to 1, because we make 2 into factor, 2 into 1. Greater factor is used equal to plus, and a smaller factor is used to minus. This is minus, so 1. You solving these two equations, we can get angles, and while solving this we can get T2. So here theta 1 is 60 and theta 2 is 30 and T2 is mg by 2. So 2 is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.